Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca. Today, we're going to be seeing what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We are located in the DFW area. I went to a few different stores and combined all the pictures into one video. So let's see what is new. I want to thank everyone who's been patient with me. I know I missed a video or two because I was out of town, so I appreciate that. Let's go shopping. We'll start with apparel and accessories. They have more of their crew socks. These are the character socks, and you get these for the $1.25. They are shoe size 9 to 13. They had Animal, Kermit, and Fozzie, and I have seen Miss Piggy before, so that's the set of 4. And of course, they have their Scooby-Doo socks. I'm finding all of those different characters restocked. Most of the stores, I can find like 3, and then on another store, I'll find the one I'm looking for. But there's usually a set of 4 when it comes to the different character socks. They also have the Star Wars and R2-D2, also the Friend socks. And again, those are crew socks. Over in the arts and crafts, I was so excited to find this cardboard cutout craft collective handmade jewelry in 3 easy steps. You can see they're down near the end cap. They were by the candles and different craft items. They have the polymer clay in assorted colors. You get 3 different colors. There's also the tools, and you can get the clay cutter shapes. You get those in a 6-piece pack. They have these are to make like charms and earrings. They have the rainbow shapes. There's 6 of those, and then the clay cutter shapes that look like flowers and leaves. Again, you get 3 large petals and then the leaves at the bottom in 3 different sizes. There's the clay texture sheets. It's 1 piece, but they're double-sided with different designs on each side. Some DIY wood pieces like the wood round with the geometric patterns and their little wood crate boxes with the laser cutouts in the front. They had these out last year around Easter, so I was excited to see these come back around. Also, we have these DIY wood boxes with the lids, which would be perfect for gifting on Valentine's Day. Over in the baby and toddler section, they had the Main Street Wall Creation stickers, which are removable. They will not damage your walls. They have these adorable safari animals. You can get 4 different stickers on this sheet. They had a lion, a zebra, a giraffe, and an elephant. And then down around the sides on the border, there's little pink flowers. Also, they had the Newborn Stage 0 baby onesies by Angel of Mine. And you can get those in either the all white, the solid light baby pink, or they have, of course, the baby blue. And now for the health and beauty section, we're going to look at hair care and hair accessories, also some cosmetics and different things that go with the cosmetics section, also some pharmacy and personal care items in this section. There's the LA Colors nail decals. These are actually glow in the dark. I remember seeing these around Halloween, so I'm kind of confused why those are back in, but they are back in stores now. There are these press-on nails where you do not need any glue. You get 12 pieces. There's some glitter and then a resin piece on some of the nails. They had the bows or the flowers on the pink ones. There's lots of the jeweled collection nails. So these will have like rhinestones and different jewel shapes like diamond shapes. And there's also a few that have pearls on them also. Those would be more of the like glitter, and then there's like some gold or silver accent, and then they'll have the pearls at the top and on a few of the different nails, but it won't be on every single nail. But you can see all the different patterns and designs they have. Also, I found the scented nail cuticle oil. There's the lavender and the peach scent. It has those little flowers down inside the bottle, or you can get the floral lip gloss. These are coconut scented and vanilla scented. So this one's like a squeeze one that has the applicator, and then the other one, the lip floral gloss, that one's the vanilla scent. That's the one that has like the roller ball, and you can see it also has the little flowers down inside of the lip gloss, and those are the Be Pure brand. You can see the close-up with the flowers in there, and make sure you guys are able to see those really well. There's also the Le Mercerie plumping lip gloss. There's a couple different ones of those in different colors, and you can see they're like a darker purple and a darker pink, but they pretty much look clear. There's also the Roller Hydrating Lip Balm, and that is the hydrating formula. You can see those are also in 2 different colors. pretty much like a nude look. There's the Sassy Chic lash combs restocked, which are super popular and usually pretty hard to find. So I was excited to find those. Then we have these pearl bobby pins with the gold accent underneath, or the hair clip with a bow made out of pearls. There is the Sophie brand two-piece claw clips. Those are the minis in the pink and black matte. And then they also have these claw clips in gold. It says for 14 plus. It's a really shiny, pretty gold, and they're quite heavy. They're made out of some kind of metal. There's also this design. And then we've got the larger claw clips with this design in the matte pink. There's also a matte purple, or you can get the long hair clips. And these are also in a matte finish. They have them in a light tan and gray. And here's a view of them from the side. So you can see they're pretty big. I want to say they're about 3.5 inches long. Also, they had these fashion headbands with the knots on top. They had those in a really soft pastel pink. They also had them in a very light pale lavender and blue. Then I found these headbands with the hearts, perfect for Valentine's Day. I only found them in the white. You can see it has some embroidered hearts on the sides. And there were these bottles of the Bosley's Professional Strength rebalancing gel for the hair. Also, the Power Stick 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for men. There were these sponges for the shower that spell out the word love. There's the dark purple with pink, or the light pink with a little bit darker pink in the background. Or you could also get the heart shapes. And again, those are the two-tone pink or the two-tone purple with the dark pink in the background. They had the conversation heart sponges back in with the loofah on the opposite side. They had red, pink, and purple, and they say things like XOXO or love you. Now for the fun finds, there really wasn't a whole lot new there. They have the 3-pack of the tea light candles that look like butterflies. Also, there were these party coaster game night. You get 8 games and 30 coasters in the pack. And I pulled them out so you guys can actually see what they look like. There was this one, it was called Rhyme Time. And it says like ready for a tongue twister. So that's like a little game you can play. They also had like truth or dare and different things like that. I just showed a few. Over in the home decor, I love these candles so much. I love when they get the ones with the decorative sides. And these were the 3-ounce scented candles in lavender fields. There was also the dragon fruit with the plaid lid in the gold. There's fresh linen and the apple cinnamon. And here's a close-up view of the candle from the side. You can see how decorative those jars are. They also have these glass decorative tabletop designs. There's the word thankful, love, and family, all written in black, and they kind of look like the Ray Dunn style with the writing. Also, they brought back the heart decor. I found them in pink and gold. Sometimes they also have them in silver, but right now I only saw those in those 2 colors. They have the birch and vine decor, these wicker hearts in the natural gray wood, the white, and there's the all natural. These little glass jars with the decorative designs and the metal leaf accent. They have the candle pillars in black and white. They also have a different white one, a light teal blue, the blue and white, or the gold and silver. Then they had these gorgeous vases. They're in 3 different sizes. They kind of look like a crinkled bag almost. And I put it next to one of the large pillars. You could see how large they actually are for just $1.25. Over in the office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section, they have the Jumbo Extreme Book Socks. These are fabric, stretchable book covers, and then they had a bunch of different novels and books out. I always encourage you guys to look through those. They have some really great bargains on books at the Dollar Tree, some for children as well. I was always a fan of Judy Blume as a kid, so it always tickles me when I find those at the Dollar Tree, and their puzzle books are lots of fun as well. Over in Housewares, they have these new LED pillar candles. They look like they're in a glass votive, and they all had like this amber color. It looks like an on-off switch is at the bottom. It looks like a flickering light. They also had these tea light votives in the tea light or votive. So there's the 2 different sizes. You get 2 in a pack, and the whole side lights up. Also, these wire brush sets, they have them in red now. They used to be black. And there's also a bunch of these really soft pink baskets with the beautiful floral cutouts on the sides. Always one of my favorites. The kitchen and pantry, they have these moisture control bags for produce. They're gallon size. Also, they had these full rolls of wax paper with a plaid design. I thought those were kind of neat. And from Walmart, they have the Joey Cactus taco holders. They were $4.98 at Walmart. They are now just $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. So you could see you get those for just the $1.25. They also had the Joey cheese slicer for $1.25 and the citrus juicer. All of those came from Walmart that were like an overstock item. The party supplies, they have a bunch of their gift boxes. Those come in a 3-pack. And then there were some fun new gift boxes that say like Shine Bright with the disco ball and kind of the checkerboard pattern on the side. Or you can get the orange, pink, and yellow with the daisies and sunflowers that say Smiles for Miles. Then for their birthday items to match the plates, they have some new napkins that say Let's Roll. Over in the pet care, really not a whole lot new. They have more of the Bambones, and those are in 3 different flavors, the larger sizes. They also had the Purina Dental Life plus Immune Support full bags for just $1.25. Seasonal items will have some new items for Valentine's Day. They put out their beaded ribbon in the dark pink, light pink, white, and red. Also some glass vases. They have the hearts that say love or the pink hearts that are different designs down the side. Those are those nice tall votives with the decoration on the outside for the same price of just $1.25 that you usually find them with the plain vases. Also some chocolate scented teddy bears, which are always really popular. Those come in about 4 or 5 different colors. I'm just going to show 2. They had the dark brown and red, and then some tabletop signs. This one says all we need is love. They have freak hugs, step right up, and sweets for my sweet with the donuts and cookies on the side and sprinkles, some galvanized metal signs like this cupcake and the pair of lips. They have a hanger at the top, some new wall signs. This one says all of you so much with the jar of olives, buttered together with the buttered popcorn. Love is in the air with the hot air balloon, and then they have a cupcake that says sweet love. They do have a little bit of glitter on the border, but not too much glitter. Also the heart that says Happy Valentine's Day and the rainbow that says there's no better match than me and you. For St. Patrick's Day, they have these really cute spiral straws that come in a 4-pack, and it has these adorable little charms at the top, like a shamrock, a pot of gold. They also have these mini bubble tubes. You get, I believe, 8 to 10 in a pack. And there were these stampers also. It has all the different shamrocks. There's some gnomes. There were pots of golds with rainbow. They have the stuffed gnomes with the leprechaun hat. They have boys and girls. And then some of the posable felt signs with Happy St. Patrick's Day on the hat. Lots of fun jumbo ties. There's the gold, Kiss Me, I'm Irish, and Happy St. Patrick's Day. Also, the necklaces with the shot glass at the bottom that looks like a beer mug. They have a couple different beaded necklaces and necklaces with these shamrocks. This is a decorative plate for like a party, and they had their tumblers that look like shamrocks with the straw. They have the pot of gold, and there's also a rainbow. That's the red one there. And then for the springtime items, where I found most of the new stuff this week, they have these large stepping stones that look like flowers with some bumblebees. There's the yellow, white, or purple. Also some of the garden stones. There's My Happy Place and What a Wonderful World. Bless This Garden with its adorable little frog in the corner. And then Live, Love, Garden. They also had these garden collection landscape anchoring stakes for 20-pack for $1.25. Look like large plastic nails. They of course had their little mushrooms. You can get them in blue, orange, red. They have like brown, green. So I'm just going to show you guys a few. Also the fairy garden items. Some of them I couldn't remember all the ones I had shown, but I thought I found a few new ones. So if these are repeats from last week, I apologize, but you can see they have the wishing well. There's a fountain, a little pond with some ducks, and then of course the little tree houses and succulent plants that look like garden gnome homes. I love the ones with the little flower tops. I always think those are so cute. They're so decorative. There's so much detail in these. all the way around. They always impress me how much detail they actually put into the fairy garden houses. This one right here is one of my favorites this year. I think it's so pretty. Looks like a little cottage. Of course, we have the gnome with a snail and a mushroom. There's a bridge and a little river. And then the wishing well with the fairies. I thought those were so cute. I love these new garden signs. It's a large galvanized metal sign that says the garden is my happy place and welcome with the sunflower and bumblebee. They also have these solar spotlights for just $1.25. And now for the toys and games this week. So they had these new dive torpedoes, sand and swim. They actually light up. There's 3 of them, comes with the batteries. You can see the red light on that one on the corner. Then these wooden puzzles. They got the 12-piece puzzle. Looks like a clock. You have shapes. You can tell time. What a great buy for just $1.25. Or you can get the puzzle that shows the different planets. Also the tabletop tennis game with a ping pong ball. I thought that was fun. The Dollar Tree Plus section, we have these cookie jars that look like Easter bunnies with an Easter egg. There was the light blue and pink. And then they had the tabletop egg decor that has the large eggs with the rope wrapped around it. There's the Easter resin decor. It looks like cookies and Easter bunny ears. The large bunnies wearing glasses, necklaces, or a bow tie. I'm sorry, regular necktie, I guess I should say. They had purple, the light blue, and pink. They had some flowers up at the top of their head. They're ceramic. They have the Happy Easter with the rattan. These are a large sign. They're about an inch thick and they sit about a foot tall. And you can see they have 2 different color schemes. The drink dispensers looks like a large Easter egg for $5. And then a bunch of different Happy Easter doormats for outside the front door. There's the Flexi Grip smartphone holder. They had a zebra and a unicorn, and all the different pieces move to hold the phone in different spots. They have this large level for $3, and the footed tights, those are also $3. They come in small, medium, large, and extra large. I found the strawberry basket. It's a complete growing kit. Those are $5. You can see the basket there. It has the seeds, like 16 to 20 seeds. There's some dirt, the basket, everything you'll need to grow the strawberries. There's this Wonderland Quick Lawn grass seed mixture and the Miracle Grow potting mix. You get 8 quarts of potting mix. They also had these large wind chimes out this year that were anywhere between $3 and $5, depending on which one you got. And that's it for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope y'all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next time.